welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. It's actually really easy and simple to do, but before we get started, I'm just going to remind you guys I do have lots of videos similar to this one, showing you guys how to do things on social media, as well as customizing your iPhone and stuff like that. So if you guys are into that content, I'd really appreciate you guys go check that out, as well consider subscribing to my channel, as I'm on my road to 10,000 subscribers. It would mean a lot. Anyhow, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is go over to TikTok and open it up. Once you're on TikTok here, you just want to go to the bottom where it shows the plus icon to create a new video. So you can go ahead and do that. And once you're on this portion here, you want to go ahead and start recording a video. So I'm just going to be silent here for a couple seconds while we record. Once you're done recording your video, you just want to click on the check mark option at the bottom right of your screen. And then you can go ahead and click on text at the bottom. Here you want to type out whatever text you want the text-to-speech to say. So I'm just going to do this as a test, just to be quick. And then like everything else, you can go ahead and click on the font at the bottom here to change it if you would like to, as well as the color. Very, very easy. But once we're done this, we can go ahead and click on done. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the text just by clicking on it once, and then this will pop up here and give us an option for text to speech. So you can go ahead and click on text to speech, and then it'll just take a second.
This is a test.
And as you guys see, it's working great. So just listen to it one more time.
This is a test.
Very, very simple. You could also click on voice effects at the side as well if you would like to.
This is a test.
So you could change this if you want to spooky, chipmunk, or anything like that.
This is a test.
Pretty cool. Once you're done doing that, you can click on next. And then here you can go ahead to post it. So you can go ahead and type in whatever you would like for your caption, hashtags, and stuff like that, as well as if you want to make it private or public, of course, just like anything else. And you can go ahead and post that if you would like to. So I'm just going to go private here, and then I'll post it. And then you're done and good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to use the text-to-speech on TikTok. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.